friends. I wanted to share a new client challenge that I've been working on since last week. This was inspired by the new Netflix show, How to Build a Sex Room. From it, I sold $3,000 in retail and also booked 4 parties. I know everyone is looking for ways to help their team, so I hope that this can be successful for you as well. I'll walk you through what this challenge looks like, and I'm also going to have a Google document with all of this info in the video description. The document will have all of the pics and verbiage, so there's no need to try and write things down or take screenshots. It's all in the document within the video description. I'm going to share every single thing I did. When I do this as a team challenge, I break it down into small, bite-sized chunks so it's not overwhelming for them. I call this steps, so you'll see me reference those as we continue. Lately, well, since COVID, I've heard from a lot of my clients that they have a lot of stress between their partner and they no longer feel desire or passion anymore. That, with the excitement from the Netflix show, sparked my interest in creating a new client challenge. So, my goal for this challenge is to help women put fire back into their intimate life, learn more about their body, and hopefully help them find something new that they like and build a deeper connection with their partner and rediscover that passion. The products I chose for the mystery bundles are ones that will help couples try something new, but not something that's going to intimidate them so much that they don't try it. If you want to get your team involved, first thing you'll want to do is get them excited. Here's an example of something you can post on your team page. Personally, I like to make a curiosity post to reel them in versus sharing all the details at once. It really helps build up our engagement and also have more team members plug in. For our team, I shared the curiosity post on a Friday, but you can do it any time of the week. After people comment, I then voice message them details. I send a voice message to every single person who comments. Now, that might sound like a lot of work, but it's really not. It's simply sending myself a voice message and then forwarding it to those who comment. It's super fast, and team members love the personal outreach. During this video, you're going to notice that I'm sharing the exact post that I did for our team. I had a lot of you previously request to see word for word, as well as any pics I shared with our team, so that's why you're seeing it here. When you look at the master doc, you'll have access to all of the verbiage that I shared with our team. I also sent out a project broadcast blast to all team members since I know not everyone is getting notifications on Facebook. As a reminder, I do have all of the posts in a Google Doc for you, and you can find that in the video description. One more thing, I give our team 1 week to complete the challenge since I know people work full time, have family, etc., and aren't always able to do things the same day I post the steps. If you have your team plug into this for July still, you can shorten the time frames of when you post them. If you're personally going to be doing this with your clients, Project Podcast is going to be your best friend, or if you use Engage. However, most of our team members do not have that, so instead I encourage them to write down a list of 40 people that they plan on personally reaching out to. I always include timeframes of when to work on each step because I noticed that a lot of girls would wait last minute to work on things. By the time they start doing it, it was no longer relevant. Of course, they can plug into each step at a later time if needed, but I found that team members took action quicker if they saw the recommended time frame. Step 3 is the most important piece of this challenge, and it's when team members start following up with everyone. I want to make these challenges as easy as possible for our team, so I always provide verbiage for different scenarios. So for this, they have verbiage for those who voted in their poll, as well as verbiage to send to their list of 40. I also created a video walking them through what the mystery bundles include, so that way they know what to order, but also have the price points. Even for flash sales, I rarely give massive discounts, so when we do team things together, gals are confident in knowing that they're not going to be giving away the farm, they'll be making a pretty penny. The video link for this is also in the Google Doc if you want to watch it as well. When I sold the mystery bundles to my clients, none of the products I included were on back order, but unfortunately, at the time of making this video, one of them is on back order and another does show low quantity. I reached out to Erin to check on the new date for one of the products, and if it's too long, I'll switch it to something else, and same with the other one that's on low quantity. So you might have to make that call if things don't get back soon enough. I always like to have an idea of who is working this and also who's getting results. So I like to post something like this. It's awesome seeing others get excited when someone sells a bundle as well. And I think it also creates FOMO for team members who aren't plugging into it. Step 4 provided follow-up verbiage with different scenarios. So for example, here's what to say if someone said yes to her first message, but not the second. Or here's what to say if she wanted to see the bundles, but didn't pick one. My goal for our team is to collect payment by Saturday or early Sunday at the latest, so that way they have the money to place their orders before the weekend sale ends on Sunday. I don't have this post scheduled yet, but I'm going to include a picture of the handwritten note I'm including in packages, a picture of how to make their clients feel special when opening their package, as well as a link to a video a team member of ours did on shipping products and how to save money. So by the time that you need to do this yourself or with your team, I'll include all of that in the Google Doc. Here's what our clients can expect for the 5-day challenge. I'll be creating videos that walk everyone through how to use the products that came in their bundles, how to talk about it with their partner, etc. Within the video, I will not share my website link or even my last name anywhere, so that way team members can share the videos with their clients without having to worry about them coming to my website. I'll be creating the videos this weekend and early next week, so you'll be sending the videos to your clients after you mail out their packages. So by the time that comes around for you, you'll have access to all the videos by the time you need them. That's the basic rundown of what the Red Room Challenge is. Our Goal Diggers team just started this on Monday, so there are no results to share yet. If you decide to give this a try personally or with your teams, please share how it goes. If you enjoy things like this and would like to see more, let me know by subscribing to my channel, as I do have another fun idea for another client challenge coming soon.